Best online business to start in 2023. Are you looking for the best online business to start in 2023? Keep watching. In the next 3 minutes, you will discover one of the most profitable online businesses you can start quickly and learn how you can tap into this massive $65+ billion industry in 14 days or less. Did you know that the global online gambling industry is one of the biggest and most rapidly expanding markets today? Online gambling revenues are growing at the incredible rate. More than 80 nations have legalized online gambling, and Europe has the largest online gambling market in the world. According to StratView research, the global online gambling market is expected to grow from $55.8 billion in 2020 to $106.2 billion by 2026. Now it's a perfect time to get in the game. Potential online casino profits. As an online casino and poker gaming website operator, you could generate millions of dollars within the first few years in business. Your online casino can generate revenue for you 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. The following chart demonstrates the potential profit for a casino operator. A $1,200 per day win for the house could represent as few as 24 people playing in your online casino. Potential online poker room profits. The potential profits of the online poker industry is enormous. The amount gambled on poker websites around the world since 2012 is estimated to be more than $100 billion. The top online poker rooms are profiting over $1 million each and every day. Around 1.5 million people play poker online regularly for real money, and the number is growing by per lakh a month. If you had just 20 of your players playing an average of 1 hour per day, you could be making income from over 1,000 pots a day just from those players. Multiply that by 30 days in a month or 365 days in a year, and I think you will get the idea. Here's a scenario which you can adjust to fit your personal goals. You generate 100 new members per month. Of these 100 members, your average profit per member is $50. You average a 75% retention ratio for your new members. For your first month of sales, you will earn $5,000 based on this example. By the time you are at the end of the fourth month, however, your profits can potentially be over $13,000 per month. The following chart demonstrates the potential profit for the poker gaming site operator. Are you ready to start your very own online casino business and become the next gaming millionaire? We present the industry's most innovative, cost-effective, 100% turnkey and white-label online casino and poker software solutions. The award-winning casino software is packed with the most popular casino and poker games and built from the ground up on a powerful, high-performance, scalable, and secure gaming platform. Our unique standalone and white-label gaming software allows you to start your own highly profitable online casino business quickly without the hassle and headache. Become a successful online casino owner. Be the master of your own game. Go to areacasinosoftware.com now to learn more about this incredible opportunity and request a free demo.